Today we will discuss about codominance. Here is the content: introduction, what is codominance, explanation with examples, comparison with incomplete dominance, summary and conclusion. Introduction. In genetics, dominance is the phenomenon of one variant of a gene on a chromosome masking or overriding the effect of a different variant of the same gene on the other copy of the chromosome. The first variant is termed as dominant and the second is recessive. This state of having two different variants of the same gene on each chromosome is originally caused by a mutation in one of the genes, either new or inherited. Additionally, there are found some types of dominance like codominance, incomplete dominance. Then what is codominance? The phenomenon in which both alleles are expressed in the hybrid F1 is called codominance. It occurs when the contribution of both alleles are visible in the phenotype. In codominance, both the genes of an allomorphic or pair express themselves fully in F1 heterozygotes. It means a heterozygote for codominant genes exhibits both the characters side by side. This follows the law of segregation, and F2 progeny exhibits 1:2:1 ratio, both genotypically as well as phenotypically. Then example 1, codominance of coat color in cattle. In cattle, gene R1 stands for red coat color, gene R2 stands for white coat color. When red cattle are crossed with white cattle, the F1 hybrids have roan colored skin, means not the intermediate pink. The roan color is actually expressed by a mixture of red and white hairs, which develop side by side in the heterozygous F1 hybrid. In F2 generation, red, roan and white appears in the ratio of 1:2:1. The phenotypic ratio R1R2, R1R2, R2R2 the phenotypic ratio R1R1, R1R2 and R2R2 is 1:2:1. Then come to example 2, codominance in Andalusian fowl. In Andalusian fowl, a cross between pure black and pure white splashed varieties in slate blue hybrids in F1. These hybrids of F1 generation, when crossed among themselves, yield black, slate blue and white fowls in 1:2:1 ratio, showing codominance of black and white. Example 3, codominance of blood alleles. In human, Mn blood group is under the control of an autosomal gene pair. Both its alleles capital M and capital N are dominant because persons with capital M genotype have Mn phenotype and possess both antigens M and N. If we represent these alleles as Lm and Ln, the three genotypes and phenotypes are as follows. Here you can see the picture taken from a book. This may be helpful to you. If you want to take snapshot, then please. Before starting example 4, please focus on the capital letter and on the small letter. Beta globin component of hemoglobin. At the locus for the beta globin component of hemoglobin, where the three molecular phenotypes of HBA/HBA, HBA or HBS and HBS or HBS are all distinguishable by protein electrophoresis. The medical condition produced by the heterozygous genotype is called sickle cell trait and is a milder condition distinguishable from sickle cell anemia. Thus, the alleles show incomplete dominance with respect to anemia. For most gene loci at the molecular level, both alleles are expressed codominantly because both are transcribed into RNA. Example 5, rhododendron. Rhododendrons and other flowers may also exhibit codominance. In the case of rhododendrons, the crossing of a red and white flower may yield a flower that has both red and white patches. Many flowers show similar patterns of codominance where both of the parental flower colors show up in different parts of the plant. Now come to the summary. 1. Codominance, where allelic products coexist in the phenotype, is different from incomplete dominance, where the quantitative interaction of allele products produce an intermediate phenotype. For example, in codominance, a red homozygous flower and a white homozygous flower will produce offspring that have red and white spots. 2. When plants of the F1 generation and self-pollinated, the phenotypic and genotypic ratio of the F2 generation will be 1:2:1. That is, red is to spotted is to white. These ratios are the same as those for incomplete dominance. 3. Again, this classical terminology is inappropriate. In reality, such cases should not be said to exhibit dominance at all. Finally, here is the conclusion. Codominance is similar to incomplete dominance in that the heterozygotes have a phenotype distinct from either homozygous phenotype, resulting in monohybrid phenotypic ratios that are the same as the genotypic ratios. However, the phenotype of individuals heterozygous for codominant alleles is the phenotype of both homozygous clusters. Thank you for watching my video till the end, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, and before that subscribe my channel. Thank you.